Hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and we know what this box means by now, right? We're going to go ahead and draw a topic for our next journal. Let me get the list out. Put the lid back on so we can shake it up. Alright, so what this is for. This is my 12 of 22 journal challenge. 12 journals for the year of 2022. Each month I have been selecting a different theme or style or topic and asking that the people participating in the challenge complete a single signature journal within the parameters of that theme or challenge or, style. So far we've made junk journals, we've had a personal choice, we've done animals and or pets, boho, personal choice again, romance, shabby chic, and we'll see what this month's going to be. The rules are very, very simple. You must complete one single signature sewn-in signature journal. It can be no smaller than 4 by 6, no larger than 6 by 9. It must contain no less than 3 signature pages, but no more than 7. And you must submit photographs to me either via Facebook to my Facebook group, which is Bemis Crafty Corner group on Facebook, or you can email them directly to me at bemiscraftycorner@gmail.com. For all the journals that I receive, I will give you an entry into my end of the year drawing, and at the end of the year I will draw a prize. The prize will be based on the amount of participation that we have. So the more people that participate, the more months that they participate, the bigger the prize will get. Okay? So let's draw one for August. Just one. Okay. What did we get? Flowers. So this month's journal must include flowers. So all journals for August must be submitted no later than the 3rd of September. You cannot do any back ones and submit them for entry. You can only do the current journal to submit for entry, okay? So you can't like do 5 of them and submit them and think that you're going to get the credit for that. Where unfortunately that's not the way this works. The way that this works is one journal per month, one entry per person, okay? Per month. That's it. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.